guys, welcome to Taste to Explore. My name is Darlene, and today, my friends, this is the first video of the new year. Happy New Year, guys. I want to wish each and every one of you a blessed new year. A new year, a new turn of the page, a new opportunities. I speak blessings, I speak favor, and God's best for your life. So thank you so much for tuning in. And today I do have a simple but classic dish. We are making basil and garlic marinara. Super easy, super delicious, super simple. And because it's so simple, it's so easy. I start off with this basic recipe and you're absolutely gonna love it. So now let's roll over to the very simple and basic ingredients to get this started. Alright guys, so here are the basic ingredients. We have two 20-ounce cans of tomato sauce. We have a cup of yellow onions chopped. I have here about half a head of garlic, which is about 12 cloves minced, and this is fresh, by the way. Right here I have salt and pepper to taste and a teaspoon of sugar. Here a half a cup of extra virgin olive oil, and I have 4 fresh bay leaves, and I'm going to add additional more towards the end. And then that's it. Now let's begin. Okay guys, now let's begin. Now right here my stove is off. I'm going to turn it on to a medium low, and I want to start putting in the pan before my pot gets hot is my extra virgin olive oil. I want this to start to simmer along with my garlic. Why? Because it creates a better flavor that way. I want the oil to be totally infused, right? So I can smell that the oil is heating up, because I can actually smell the aroma of the garlic. And it only took just a couple of seconds. And now I'm gonna put in my onions. All of it in, and I want this just to sweat out. I don't want it to get brown, but to sweat out. And it's just gonna take maybe close to a minute. All right, so it's been a minute, and look, everything is nicely coming along, and it smells insanely good. You do not want your onions or your garlic to burn. Make sure your stove is on a medium low, and watch it. Now I'm gonna put in now my tomato sauces. Now you can be creative, and if you want a chunkier style, you can put tomato plums. You can put chopped tomato. Or just leave it just like this. It's going to be a little bit on the chunky side anyway with the onion and garlic. If you want, you could parade this even more, but why would you? This is just delicious. Put in the salt, pepper, and the sugar, and the fresh basil leaves, and that is it. I'm going to stir this through medium low, my friends. Don't scorch this. And I'm going to let this simmer for about 20 minutes. Alright guys, so it's been about 20 minutes later. It smells so good in here. It's unbelievable what something so easy like this can just bring up such an aroma. Now right now, I'm just placing in some fresh basil, and I used about 6 leaves that I just right before this is done, you want to put a little bit more. Now if you're using dry herbs, it's much concentrated, a little goes a long way, and you can put that right in the beginning and you're good for the whole entire time. You can taste to see if your flavors are okay, if you need any more salt, pepper, fresh garlic. I doubt you're going to need anything. It's perfectly fine, but of course give it a taste, and it's totally ready and done. Alright guys, that is it. So simple and easy, this basic basil and garlic marinara sauce. It smells so good in here, you would not believe. Now, if you like, you can freestyle. You can add red wine to this. You can adjust it according to your taste. But this right here is simple and plain, just the way I like it. It still has such great, strong flavors of the garlic going through it, the basil. I mean, it smells and it tastes divine. I'm going to do a quick little another taste test because I tasted earlier just to make sure that the seasonings were good, and they were. It's pretty hot. Wow. Magnificent. Give this a try. You can store it in mason jars. You can store this in plastic freezer, safe plastic freezer containers. You can make a tons of this, and you can use this whenever you need pasta sauce on hand. There we go. Thank you so much for tuning in today. You know it's always a pleasure of having you cook along with me in my kitchen. Make this, enjoy it. I have some other classic Italian recipes that I'm going to be bringing to you that I absolutely love. And if you do have a favorite, leave me a comment below. I would love to hear your suggestions. But until then, my friends, make this super easy. And whenever you need pasta sauce, you got one on hand. Take care. Bye-bye.